Hi all, we have started our first chapter, problem solving using computer, and we have discussed the points of system analysis. So it is the functionality which we have to use within our system, even if in the working of system, software development and everything. Then the next point is algorithm, which is a formula for solving the problem, and also it is written as step by step, and we have some examples for algorithm. You can see the algorithm to prepare tea, algorithm to prepare a submission application, then some features of algorithm like how we can write the algorithm, what are the steps we have to follow, what are the unexpected situations we can fix, and some characteristics like input, output, effectiveness, etc. Then the notation of algorithm, and to print n numbers, its algorithm. Then to find the square root of a triangle, area of triangle. Then to find the percentage, or to find is that a student is failed or passed in the examination, we have created an algorithm. Then flowchart. Flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of algorithm, and the symbols that we have used for creating a flowchart. We have an example for flowchart here, like to divide two numbers, and to find the largest in two numbers. Actually, it is comparison. Next, we have to discuss about loop. So mainly, it is a piece of code which allows you to repeat a block of code more than once, but without writing it more than once. Just imagine that, guys, you have to write or you have to print the numbers up to 1000. And if you are giving any code in any language, can you give the command like a print 1, print 2, print 3, like that? It is very burden to you. If you are going to print the numbers up to 1000, then you can't write the comments like a print 1, print 2, print 3, print 4. In these situations, we have to use loops. Loops means it's a block of code which is used to reduce our work, and also we have to just create the loop once, and we can call the loop in any places without any problem. Mainly we have three kind of loops here. First loop is for loop, then while loop, then do while loop. In every languages we have these three main loops. Then we can discuss about for loop first. In for loop, we can see the first diagram here. The first step is start. Algorithm is starting with the step start, and the control is going to the condition checking, that diamond shaped box. Condition checking. It is checking that is that condition is true or false. If a condition is true in this situation, then it will automatically pass its control to the statement block. Obviously, it will be the statement block of for loop. Then after that, it again going to the condition checking part. These steps are going on, and whenever the statement is going wrong or the condition is going wrong, then it will pass to exit. it will pass to exit. So whenever the condition is true, it will go to statement blocks and execute the statement, and the condition is going wrong, it will go to exit loop. After that it will go to stop. Then the next loop is while loop. In this, start the condition, then next initialization. That means you are giving some starting values to a variable like I equal to 0 or x equal to 0, like that. Then you are going to check the condition. After checking the condition, is that condition is true or false. If the condition is true, then it is going inside the body of while loop, and it will print the statements in the while statement. Then it is again going to condition. It is checking the condition again, it is printing the result again, and it is continuing its process up to the state whenever it is going wrong. If the while condition is going wrong, then it will automatically go to the next step, end of loop. End of loop. Then the next diagram stands for do while loop. So the first step is do here. It is going to do session, and after that a statement will be executed. That means in the previous flowcharts, the step will be executed after the condition checking, but here the statement is executing without checking the condition. So at least once the statement will be executed if the condition is wrong. Then statement is executing here. After that it is going to the condition checking process. It checks its condition. After that it is going to the true state. If condition is true, then it is going to true state. It is again coming back to do session, and it is giving its statement again as output, and it is again checking the condition. And if the condition is going false or going wrong, it will go to the stop session and it will execute completely, and it will give you the result. So these are the 3 loops. Then what are the major aspects in program development? The first point is aware about the input and output of program. So whenever you are viewing a program, you have to recognize what will be its output. What are the values which we can give as the input to a particular program, and what will be its output. If you are asked to do some grade, like you have to give some grades in a program, then it will obviously giving you the instructions to give some grade. Then you can't give the mark, and if it is asked to input some mark, then you can't input the grade. So this is the difference that we have to understand whenever we are giving the input to a program, and after that we can get the result. In every program of grade calculation or percentage calculation, it will give you a percentage or a grade, not the mark. So this is just logic. Then method for problem solving must be easy. In our programming world, we have a lot of ways to reach to the output, but we have to choose the minimal way or the easiest way, which is very much easy, very much time less consuming, and also it is flexible. We can change the codes accordingly. So this is the main thing which we need in a program. And also program must be user friendly. Whenever we need, we can edit it, we can renew it, and also a new person can recognize the idea behind the program. It ensures that it is easy to understand, fix and improve your program without time consuming. If you need to edit something, if you need to add something, if you need to delete something, without delay we can do that with the help of the program development steps, if we are following these all steps. The next thing is number system. Mainly, number system is a set of symbols used to express the quantities. It is basis of counting, comparing amounts, performing calculations, sort and represent value. We know that these all are the main usages of the numbers, and in our daily life we are using the numbers for everything. For counting, for comparing amounts, like comparing some prices of products, or we are comparing the marks of the subjects of our students, and also we are calculating the prices of our purchased items. Then we are sorting them, like in the previous month these all are the economic value, and in this month we have spent this much, and we are doing some spend analysis, and also we are representing the values with the help of number system. Then the types of number systems will depend on its base value. Mainly we have 4 base valued items or 4 number systems. Let us discuss what are they. First is binary number. Binary number to the base 2. That means binary numbers base will be 2. Then octal number to the base 8. Decimal number to the base 10. Hexadecimal number to the base 16. Then we can discuss these number systems in detail. First is binary number to the base 2. Basically, the binary numbers base is 2, and also it requires only 2 digits or 2 numbers to form the binary numbers or binary combinations, and that are zeros and ones. These zeros and ones are useful for computer programmers, mainly to work with the computer chips and memory works. Just think that 0 is indicating a condition like off or any condition false, and 1 is stands for the condition true or on state. Then we have the examples or the values of binary number. Mainly it is using zeros and ones combination, but we have to follow in proper order. So zeros binary value will be 0 0 0 0. Then 1 will be 0 0 0 1. Like that it will continue its value properly, and after that we are going to the next number system, that is octal number to the base 8. Octal number to the base 8. That means here the base value will be 8, and we require only 8 digits. That are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7. We have said that 8 digits. Then we will obviously think that it will go to the value up to 8. but we are adding the 0 in the starting stage, then it will only go to 7, not to 8. Then the octal number are here 0 0, then 1 is 1 here, 2 is again 2 here, up to 7 the values are same. Then decimal number to the base 10. This is the number which we all are using. Its base is 10. It requires 10 digits, that are 0 to 9 values. 0 to 9 values. And after that you can see the numbers here. 0 will be 0, 1 will be 1, then like that up to 9, 9 will be 9. After that if you are using 10, 10 will be 10, like that. The main number system which we all are using in our daily life. Then the next category is hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number to the base 16. Its base is 16 and it requires 16 digits, but with some difference. The main difference is we are not only using the numbers, but we are using some letters also. Like you can see, we are using the numbers from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. And after that, after 9, it will be 10. But we have an equivalent for 10, that is A. English alphabet A. Then the next value will be 11. Then we can replace it with the B. Like that we can have the values like A, B, C, D, E and F. So hexadecimal numbers are the combinations of these values 0 to 9 and A to F. Then let's have a look to this conversion processes. Conversion. The first conversion is binary to decimal conversion. Binary to decimal conversion. To do the binary to decimal conversion, we have to be thorough with the 2's powers. 2's powers. 2 raised to 1 will be 2. 2 raised to 2 will be 4. 2 raised to 3 will be 8. Like that 2's powers we have to learn. Then let's have a look how we can do the conversion of binary number to decimal. We have a question here 1101 1011. 1101 1011. Okay, then to convert this binary number, the first step you have to do is just write the binary number into its reverse order. Then the first step will change our question like 1101 1011. 1101 1011. Just reverse it. And after that, you have to multiply each digit with the powers of 2 in incremental order. That means 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1. Then a 0 is there. We know that 0 into any value will be giving the result 0 only. So we can omit that step and we are going to the next value, that is 1. Again 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4. Again you can see the value 0. You can omit it. Then 1 into 2 raised to 6. Then the last position is 1 into 2 raised to 7. then we can just give them the values. That means 1 into 1 will be 1, then 1 into 2 raised to 1 will be 2, then 1 into 2 raised to 3 will be 8, 1 into 2 raised to 4 will be 16, 1 into 2 raised to 6 will be 64, 1 into 2 raised to 7 will be 128. Then you just need to add the product of the previous step. So we are coming to our third step. So you just need to add the products that you have got now. So we can add them. 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 16 plus 64 plus 128. That will be equal to 219. 219. Then the decimal equivalent of the binary number 1101 1011 will be equal to 219 to the base 10. We can just simply say the answer 219, but also we can represent it with the base number, that is 10. I think you have got the point. How can you convert the binary number to decimal number? Okay, then this much for the session, guys.